Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to use preview and testing tools in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app you want to preview or test. Now look at the top right corner and click on the preview button. Adalo will open a live preview of your app in a new window. Use your mouse to click through screens and test buttons, lists, and forms. Now return to the editor and make any changes if something is not working. To test on a mobile device, click on the Share or Publish option. Copy the preview link provided by Adalo. Open that link on your phone browser to test the app on a real device. Check navigation, data loading, and basic functionality carefully. Once testing is complete, return to the editor to fix any issues. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.